Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Lenovo Thinkbook 15G2 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful laptops designed for the modern professional, boasting a sleek design, robust performance, and a suite of features aimed at boosting productivity and collaboration, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable workhorse that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Number 5. Nicpower 65W USB-C Laptop Charger. Experience lightning-fast and incredibly safe charging for your laptop. This power adapter is rigorously tested to ensure stable and reliable power delivery. Designed to be compatible with a wide range of Lenovo Thinkbook models, it's the perfect power solution for your specific device. With an input range of 100-240 V, this charger is ready for use anywhere in the world. It seamlessly adapts to different power standards. Delivering up to 65 W of power, it provides optimal charging for your compatible USB-C laptops. Ensure your device requires no more than 3.25 A and 65 W. Receive everything you need in one package, a 65 W USB-C power adapter and a power cord. It's perfect for home, office, or travel. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of our product. What we like. This charger offers robust safety features and broad compatibility with many Thinkbook models. If you need a reliable and safe power source for your laptop, especially for travel or as a replacement, this is a great choice. It ensures stable, fast, and safe charging for your device. What people say. This power supply charges as well as the original for my daughter's Lenovo Thinkbook. It looks of good quality and has the same weight to it as the original as well. This adapter is cheaper than the OEM Lenovo adapter and feels better quality. It's been used for about 6 months now with no problems. Good replacement adapter for your laptop. This one makes a good solid connection with the USB-C port and charges the battery pretty quickly. It does exactly what I wanted. Number 4. Lenovo Thinkbook 15G2 G3 G4 Rubber Foot Pad Replacement. Is your laptop sliding around? These replacement rubber foot pads are designed to bring back stability and prevent unwanted movement. Specifically designed for various Lenovo Thinkbook 15 models, including G2, G3, and G4 series. Ensure a perfect fit for your device. Installation is a breeze with the strong adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick to securely attach them to your laptop's bottom case. Enjoy excellent adhesion and strong slip resistance. These durable strips are not easy to peel off, providing long-lasting performance. The precise dimensions ensure optimal contact with your desk surface. Restore your laptop's grip and protect its base. Don't let worn-out or missing feet compromise your laptop's stability. These replacements offer a cost-effective solution to keep your device steady. What we like. If you're concerned about your laptop sliding around on surfaces, these rubber feet are a must-have. They provide excellent adhesion and strong slip resistance, ensuring your device stays put. They are perfect for anyone who wants to protect their laptop from accidental slips and scratches. What people say. The laptop has a good build quality and a sleek design. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the trackpad is responsive. The display is bright and clear, with good color accuracy. Number 3. HKY PD 65W USB-C Charger. Introducing the HKY PD 65W USB-C Charger, your ultimate power solution. It's designed to efficiently charge a wide range of devices, ensuring you stay powered up wherever you go. This charger is compatible with numerous devices, including Peloton Bike Plus, various Lenovo Thinkbook and ThinkPad models, and Razer Blade laptops. It's also perfect for HP Spectre, EliteBook, and ProBook series, as well as HP Chromebooks. It also supports ViewSonic portable monitors and soundbox speakers, making it a truly universal charging accessory. You can rely on it to power up your essential tech. Featuring USB PD 3.0 technology, it delivers superfast charging up to 65 W. It automatically identifies your devices to provide the optimal and most efficient charging current. With level 6 energy efficiency, it maximizes usage while minimizing energy consumption. Its high charging efficiency of up to 95% surpasses many other chargers. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. This charger is built to be sturdy and durable, ideal for travel and work on the go. What we like. This charger is designed for maximum versatility, supporting PD 3.0 super fast charging for a wide range of devices including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. If you carry multiple gadgets and want a single, efficient charger that can power them all quickly, this is the ideal solution. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for life on the go. What people say. The charger works as intended and just as well as my OEM charger. I use this on both a Dell Chromebook and a Lenovo Chromebook and it charged both quickly and efficiently. Se cargo en buen tiempo y además es muy fácil transportar. Number 2. Lenovo Thinkbook 15 Business Laptop. Introducing the Thinkbook 15, a powerful and reliable business laptop designed for professionals. It's built tough and offers robust security features, making it an excellent choice for your daily tasks. Experience exceptional performance with the AMD octa-core Ryzen 7 processor. Coupled with 16 GB of RAM and a speedy 1 TB SSD, it handles demanding applications with ease. Enjoy crisp and clear visuals on the 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display. Its 220 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color gamut provide a comfortable viewing experience, even in bright environments. Stay connected with a comprehensive array of ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2, HDMI, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 ensure fast and stable wireless connections. Boost your productivity with Windows 11 Pro. This operating system is ideal for professionals, students, and businesses, offering advanced features for security and multitasking. This versatile laptop is perfect for a wide range of users, from students and designers to professionals and small business owners. It's ready for school, work, and everything in between. What we like. For professionals and small business owners seeking a durable and powerful machine, this laptop is an excellent option. It boasts a strong AMD processor, robust build quality, and modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6. If you need a reliable workhorse that can handle demanding tasks and withstand daily use, this is the one to consider. What people say. Compared to our older laptop, this thing is about the same size yet it has more screen space, so kudos to Lenovo for fitting more screen space into the same dimensions as other laptops. Great laptop. Really nice feel on the keyboard. Screen is clean and crisp. I use it for college IT and it works perfectly, and it's also really pretty. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad 1i Laptop. Meet the Lenovo IdeaPad 1i, designed for your daily tasks and entertainment. Its compact and lightweight build makes it perfect for life on the move. Experience smooth and efficient performance thanks to its intelligent cooling system. This ensures your processor stays at optimal temperatures, even during demanding use. Enjoy a rich, immersive sound experience with 2 speakers enhanced by Dolby Audio. Get lost in your music, movies, and calls like never before. Stay powered up throughout your day with up to 10 hours of battery life. Plus, rapid charging gets you back to what you're doing faster. Interact with your content on a brilliant 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen. Its narrow bezel design maximizes your viewing area for a more engaging experience. Equipped with a 6-core Intel i3 processor and 16 GB RAM, it handles everyday tasks with ease. Enjoy faster speeds and reliable connections with Wi-Fi 6. What we like. If you're a student or casual user looking for a portable and reliable everyday laptop, this IdeaPad is a fantastic choice. It offers a great balance of performance, portability, and entertainment features like Dolby Audio. Its long battery life and rapid charging support make it ideal for a full day of classes or work without being tied to an outlet. What people say. Seems to be decent build quality, fast enough for my uses, the touchscreen is nice. It's a great laptop for office productivity or a student that needs an office suite, web browsing, and streaming video. This product is exactly as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.